With more than 5 decades of expertise in the local trucking industry, UD Trucks Southern Africa will continue to strive towards ultimate dependability by providing world-class products and services. Our health and safety practices are specifically aimed at legal compliance, but also guided by the respect we have for our employees and visitors' safety. In order to conform to these guidelines, the visitor and UD Trucks Southern Africa acknowledge that there are risks involved in visiting a manufacturing site, and that it is imperative to follow the rules for the protection of all. As safety is one of the critical aspects of our business, we require that all employees, contractors and visitors please comply with our site rules and regulations, which will be featured in this video. Remember that everyone is responsible and accountable for their own safety at UD Trucks. We kindly request that each visitor sign the provided indemnity form. We strive to achieve and maintain a low injury rate by providing everyone with a safe and hygienic working environment. When entering our site, please ensure that you have completed the register at security and that you have received the visitor's slip that needs to be signed off by the UD Trucks employee being visited. While visiting UD Trucks Southern Africa, the wearing of personal protective equipment is compulsory inside the manufacturing plant. Hard hats, high visibility bips and slip-on safety shoes will be issued to all visitors for the purpose of the visit. Personal protective equipment is given to protect you against the dangers and hazards in the plant. It is mandatory to wear the necessary equipment at all times. Please be aware of potential hazards and risks, such as overhead obstacles, moving forklifts and trucks. Look out for your own as well as each other's safety. The use of cell phones is not encouraged, but if you do need to answer a phone call, please alert your host. Please note that no photos are allowed to be taken inside the plant without prior approval. A well-established first aid clinic is available inside the manufacturing plant, with first aid trained staff on duty in all departments. Once again, please remember that you are responsible for your own safety and for those around you. Report all concerns to your host. Smoking is strictly confined to the clearly demarcated smoking areas, which are indicated by a warning sign and a red bin. In the event of fire alarm activation, all employees and visitors are requested to evacuate the facilities. The following assembly points are marked in 4 easily accessible areas. Number 1. Reception, Administration Building and Production Office. Number 2. Plant Operations, IT and CKD. Number 3. Distribution Center, SVR and PDS. Number 4. Competence Development, Engineering Workshop and Maintenance. We would like to request all visitors to stay within the group and please keep to the designated walking paths. We trust that you will enjoy your visit to our Roslyn plant and experience how we go the extra mile for you. Welcome to UD Trucks, a division of Volvo Group Southern Africa.